Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be looking at gateway intents. So gateway intents are basically uh, like when a channel is created, it sends like a JSON format to Discord, and then that you can basically get the ID of that channel, and it basically, like for example in JDA, when you're like the slash command event is a gateway intent is basically sent when a slash command is run, and then you get the ID, and then you can create, then you add reply, and etc. So there's a numerous number of gateway intents. So you can have, like, when a member leaves you can receive that, and then for example you can have once a member leaves you can send a message to a channel saying this member has left. So for today's video I'll be showing you how gateway intents are in JDA. So we have so if you have a look at the slash command event, that's a gateway intent. So in JDA there's an abstract class called event listener. So if I show you that class for 1 second, so I have to go there. So event listen I mean no event listener adapter, and in that listener adapter you have all the gateway intents. So let me just accept that. So you have on selected menu, on store channel updated, like on the user updates activity, etc. so so how you should use these gateway intents is up to you. So but I'm going to be showing you how to have it where if a member leaves you can send it to a channel. So all you want to do is go into your folder and create a class. You can name whatever you want, but I'm just going to call it on action listener. And then in this class you're going to extend listener adapter. So let's just spell listener properly. So then you want to extend listener adapter, extend listener adapter. So if I can spell properly, listener. Alright, so before we get started with making this method, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload more content. Just so you know, I upload every weekend, and make sure to hit that like button to spread this video out to more Java developers who want to get into the Discord bot community creation. So if you have a look at the listener adapter and you scroll down to on guild, should be on guild. I'll be back once I found it. So I found it. So it's on guild member remove. So basically, if you have a look at the class, it basically states that this basically indicates that when a user is basically leaves a guild, either kicked, banned, or just leaves mutually, it'll send a JSON format, like notifies at the Discord bot, and then Discord bot can not do anything, or if you want it to do anything. So we'll be using this guild on guild thing. So you wanna override it. It's best practice. So override it, and then you wanna create the public void on guild member on guild. What's that? You can on guild member remove event. Then here's our guild, the class guild member remove event. Call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it event. Call guild member remove. It's not guild member. It's on guild member. So I spelled it wrong. So that's why I'm getting an error. So one second, guys. So before we go change that to that, and now the override should no longer give an error. Once again, I need to get my charger. So I'm back. So if you want to get the user who's left, you just do var user close event okay, user, and if you can also get the member, that's if he's left, etc. From up to you what you want to get. So if you want to get the hash, you get user, and then you also want to get a channel. You want to make a channel for a specific channel for which you'll send a message to the user. I will create a channel now in my test server. So if I go here and don't switch, and I go into the my test server I made specifically for these test commands. So bear with me, my computer is very slow today for some unknown reason. And then I'm just gonna use a general channel. Don't really need to make a special channel. So copy that ID. I would recommend getting the guilds and then get the server, cause this does it for all servers. So you just want it for one specific guild, then you can do that. So second, so you can do var guild equals. No, don't get event. Get JDA. Get guild by ID. So you want to get your guild ID. So I'm just gonna copy that. And then just paste that in. Very slow today. And L to make sure it's long. Once you've done that, and then you want to get the text channel. Otherwise that's a given error. No, that's not good. So now we're gonna get a channel, so var channel. You wanna get the channel ID. So get the channel ID. So and then L to make sure it's on long, so you don't get any errors. So now you got the channel. So you can I use GitHub Copilot suggests, so like in creativity. Actually, that's a joke. You can create any message you want. You can have an embed. You can have a normal message. Just for the sake of it, I'm just gonna use GitHub Copilot suggestion and use has left the server. You can have your own custom message, and in future episodes, once we get to the database episode, we can have it where for a specific guild, the admin of that guild can set their own leaving message. So once you've done that, you want to go to the bot class where everything's created, and you add it as an event listener. So comma new on action listener. Voila. So now every time a user leaves your server, the bot should send a message. This is just one example of the many examples you can use. You can have it when the user joins, when the user is banned, when the user is unbanned, anything really, as long as it's supported by, as long as it's a gateway intent. And if we more added, JDA will add it. There might be some missing here which on the Discord doc. This is because they might be added in JDA 5, and once JDA 5 hits beta stage, I will be creating an episode. I have created the dependency for JDA 5 right in alpha stages, so there might be bugs, so I would rather do in beta stages. But if you want to see me doing alpha stages, just comment down. Actually, if this video hits 50 likes, then I might consider doing it, but I don't want to risk any bugs or anything. So that's it for this episode. Remember to subscribe, and peace.